Hey guys, Kevin and Dan here for Easy ESL Games. This is a video a little different from everything else we've done because we just got a message from Dineez Elvira, who really wants to play Phonic Bingo tomorrow but doesn't really know how to do it in her class. So Dineez, this one is for you. The first thing that you're going to need to do is go to the download page. I'll leave that in the description. When you're there, because you have 8 students in your class, you want to download the small class Phonic Bingo set. That's going to give you 12 different versions of this game. So this is one bingo card. I'll give this one here to Dan, so Dan has that in front of him. It's also going to give you this. Thanks, buddy. It's going to give you this. This is all of the chips you need as a teacher. So you download this and then you cut them out. Finally, the last thing that you will need is chips. So these are just placeholders that you put above the text. If you want to print them out and cut them up, it takes a lot of time and they kind of go missing. An easier way to do it is we're just going to use some coins. Okay, we're back at it again. We couldn't get the money out of the jar, so we cut out all the chips. The important thing is you have to hold the chips with you. If you give them to the kids, you lose all of your bargaining power. So, like I said, we had the cut out ABC letters. They're on a pile on the floor, and Dan has his board. So what I do is I start by flipping over one letter. Oh, so the letter is caterpillar. Dan, where is caterpillar?
Okay, I'll go find it.
Yeah, where do you see caterpillar? Where is it? Do you see it?
Oh, this is like a
Bing bong. And then you got to say caterpillar.
caterpillar.
Nice. And then there's your chip. So because Dan said it, I gave him his chip. Can you put it on top of caterpillar?
So I can do it.
Bing bong. Good job, buddy. And then we have our next one. I'm going to pull over the next chip, and that is snake. Dan, can you see snake?
Sure.
Where is it? Where is snake?
Up there it goes.
Bing bong. Good job. But we're going to put this one on there, right?
Where?
On snake. Snake.
Why?
Because that's how we play the game.
Not sick?
Snake,
Not
please. Yeah, that's good. All right. And basically, we're just going to keep doing the same thing until he makes a straight line. So if we got here, we got pow, free space, and quiet, then Dan would win. To win this game, you can do a free line up or sideways or diagonal. One last little bit of information is when you start, the spot in the center right here is a free square. You put your chip on there. So one line this way, this way, this way, and they win. The important thing is you control the chips and you don't give them any chips unless they actually say the word. So what's this one, Dan?
Oh, elephant.
Elephant. Good job, buddy. Okay, I hope that helps. Sorry it's such a low quality video, but I think we answered your question. Let me know if you have anything else. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.
If you're looking for great downloads, visit our Teachers Pay Teachers page. And for more classroom games, make sure to visit our website, easyeslgames.com. Both of the links are in the description.